This is how fertilization occurs. This process occurs in the fallopian tubes. Fertilization occurs when a sperm's chromosomes combine with those of an egg to form a fertilized egg or a zygote. Next is cleavage. The cells go from zygote to blastocyst. It is a period of rapid mitotic division of the zygote without intervening growth. The goal is to produce small cells which will enhance their uptake of nutrients and oxygen and the disposal of wastes. The morula happens 72 hours after fertilization. It is a solid ball of blastomeres.
The next step is blastocyst implantation. This occurs 6 to 7 days after ovulation. This is where the HCG is enabled to maintain the embryo and prevent menses. The inner cell mass forms an embryonic disc, which differentiates into 3 primary germ layers: the ectoderm, the mesoderm, and the endoderm. This process is called gastrulation. The ectoderm forms the nervous system and the epidermis. The endoderm forms the epithelial linings, and the mesoderm forms everything else. For better visuals, we're going to take the blastocyst out of the uterus. During this, the extra embryonic membranes begin to form, including the yolk sac, which provides nutrients. The amnion fills with amniotic fluid in order to protect the developing embryo against physical damage. The chorion, which forms the fetal portion of the placenta, is also formed during this.
Between 16 days to 8 weeks, we have the embryonic stage. This is when the primary germ layers, ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm, differentiate into organs and organ systems. During week 3, the embryonic disc bulges into the amniotic cavity at the head fold. During week 4, the embryo now has a head fold and a tail fold. During weeks 5 to 8, the developing embryo and extra embryonic membranes bulge into the uterine cavity. The embryo moves away from the placenta, and the body stalk and yolk stalk fuse to form an umbilical stalk.